In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix beginning balance errors in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever tried to reconcile an account and noticed that the beginning balance doesn't match your bank statement, don't worry, this is a common issue and it's usually very fixable. We're going to walk through how to track down that incorrect opening balance, adjust it, and then restart your reconciliation so everything lines up correctly. First, let's get to the chart of accounts. In QuickBooks Online, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Transactions. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts live, like checking, savings, credit cards, and more. The beginning balance error will always be tied to one specific account, so we need to find that account here. Next, locate the account that's giving you trouble. Maybe it's your main checking account or a credit card you're trying to reconcile. Once you find it in the list, move over to the right side and click on View Register. This opens up the account's register, which is like a digital checkbook with all of that account's transactions. To find the opening balance quickly, sort the list by date. You want to see the oldest transactions at the top. The very first entry in this register is usually your opening balance. It might literally say opening balance in the memo or description. This is the transaction that sets the starting point for all future reconciliations. So if this is wrong, your beginning balance will be wrong too. Now click on that opening balance transaction. In some layouts, you may need to click Edit to fully open it. Take a look at the date and the amount. Compare these to the starting balance and date on your bank or credit card statement. If the date is off, adjust it so it matches the statement's starting date. If the amount is incorrect, update the figure in the deposit field if it's money coming into the account or in the withdrawal field if it's money going out. Once you've made your corrections, click Save. QuickBooks will update that opening balance transaction, and this should fix the beginning balance for future reconciliations. Finally, go back to your settings, choose Reconcile, select the same account, and start reconciling again. You should now see the corrected beginning balance that matches your statement, making the rest of the reconciliation smoother and more accurate.